we saw how we can move the car, and if it comes out of the track, how to bring back to its original position. And now we want to give an original look for the car. That means when the car starts to move, smoke should come out of the from the car, and we will see how we can give that. For that, we have to select costume. The second one, costume, and here we have our sprite, and we are going to copy this. Copy, and now we got the same car, the same sprite, but it is given as car 1, and we are going to do a minor modification in this. So we can select edit from the second one, the one that we have copied now, and which has the name car 1. So we are selecting edit, and here we got this sprite, and we want that smoke to come out of this car. So here we will select the ellipse tool, and we will draw 2 or 3 circles. The first one is big, the second one is smaller than that, and the third one, and in the previous video the condition that we gave was when black touches the green. So if we give the smoke also in black, when this black is touching the green, the car will come to the starting position. So we have to change the color of this. We will select fill color, and then we will select another color. Here I am selecting this color, and then come to this black and click. So here we have changed the color, and now we will see, we will give OK, and here we have this new car now with the smoke coming from that. But if the car is not moving, we don't want the smoke to come out. Only when it starts to move, smoke should be there. So we will see how we can modify our script. So again we have to select script, and I told you that the car should start to move, isn't it? So we have the first if. So here the statement is if up arrow is pressed, the key up arrow is pressed, we gave the statement as move 5 steps. We are going to insert another statement. If the car, when the car starts to move, smoke should be there. So we will give the statement as switch to costume car 1, and that is given under looks. That statement the appearance of car, we are going to change the appearance of the car. So it is given under looks. We have switch to costume car 1. We can drag this and keep it here. Switch to costume car 1 and then move 5 steps. And after moving 5 steps, it should pause for a second. So we have to give the statement wait. So we have already given that statement wait, and we know it comes under control. Your wait. Here it is given as 1 second, but we need only a fraction of a second. So we will give that as 0.00099 second. And after this, again we want the first car. Means after moving 5 steps, it is pausing. So when it pause, smoke should not be there. So again from looks, we are selecting switch. Switch to costume. Here it is given as car 1. Car 1 will have the smoke. We have to select car. And now we will see what will happen. I am using the up arrow. So before that we have to start. So from here we have to select this flag, and we have selected the scripts or the instructions for the car, and now we will press the up arrow. So now smoke is also coming, and if it is not in the track, then it will come to the starting position. In your text you have till here, but if you want, just like how you play the game, you will get the points, you will get your score. So there are options for doing that also, but in your text those options are not there. So we are concluding a chapter, and before that we want to save this. So here we have this red circle, and red circle indicates stop. And to save this, from file, save as, and we can give the file name. Here I am giving the file name as, it is game for the car, so I am giving the name as gcar, and here we can give the name of the author and all, and then we can select the folder where you have to save this. Here I am selecting desktop. If you want, you can select your folder. So if you want to select your folder, then from home you have to select students underscore works underscore 8, and then 8th A, double click and open 8th A, and here we will select the folder, we will create the new folder, we will give the name as scratch. Then there we gave one okay, again okay, and we have saved our game. So with this, our fifth chapter is over.